Not yet. Climbing in and out of a canyon is a tough booger. Usually just a straight up trail to get to the ridge. Oh boy, kicking my butt. One of the nice things about being in Colorado is our access to the Colorado Trail. At the very least, the first 6 segments before it really starts climbing gives us the opportunity to get our legs underneath us and just get some trail miles in, test out our gear. But above all that, one of the nice things about being in Colorado is having some of the weather extremes that are possible in summer in the San Juans. As today we're out here in Waterton Canyon, first segment of the Colorado Trail, and it's in the mid-20s. Nice constant breeze right now. It kind of gives you the feel of being up at higher altitudes, colder weather, and seeing how your layering system will work for you. We're both wearing our biking pants or running pants, jogging pants. They're not tights. Of course, that would be the required uniform according to the scene in the Breakfast Club. That said, gives us a great opportunity to get out here and try our layering system. Leg coverings, shorts or skirt. Just wearing a hiking shirt underneath a puffy, and definitely plenty warm even with the wind. So we're pretty confident about the clothing that we are taking on the trail with us. That will be good. It took this side trail off the main road trail of Waterton Canyon. It kind of goes up this ridge line. It felt like it was walking up into the clouds. And you can see the Platte and the road down below. It's kind of nice. Give ourselves a little bit of extra challenge for the day. It's kind of steep and snow and ice is in place, but doable, different, challenging, especially the uphill part. You want to burn your lungs out, just start gaining altitude. Giving me the sniffles with all this cold air. Nice and quiet. No wind back here. Nice reprieve. Indian Creek Trailhead is way nicer as far as single tracks go. Waterton Canyon's cool. The Indian Creek, you feel like you're on a trail right away. So you got all the joggers and bikers, weekend walkers, day hikers, and multi-use trail here. Yeah, the fishermen. A lot of fishermen. A lot of people coming out here to take pictures of the bighorns. We're guilty of that. Just seems like the Indian Creek Trailhead is a lot more unique. You feel like you're on that trail right away. And you get to take your dog. That's the most important part. No dogs in Waterton Canyon.
Yeah, wasn't happy.
Good place to put in some miles, so definitely unique. Keeping yourself moving is imperative. The older you get, you just gotta keep going. And staying active, eating a nice diet. Just keep yourself going. The older we get, the harder it is to keep it up. When you slow down and you skip a couple of weeks, a month, whatever, it's just really hard to keep going. The nice thing about Waterton Canyon is, yeah, it's part of the Colorado Trail. It's the first segment. It's cool to get out here and walk it. It's close to Denver, it's unique. It's nice. It's, you feel like you're getting away from the city. You're able to come out here and just start walking and immediately feel relaxed, comfortable. All kinds of different people come out here for all kinds of various reasons. Jog, hike, bike, walk, fish, hiking the Colorado Trail. Two of the most important factors for us at 50 plus is keeping up with our diet, keeping up with our exercise, just keeping our bodies moving constantly. All the peaks are getting frosted. It just feels like it could start snowing any minute. Keep seeing flurries. I think our storm system's starting to move in. Woo! That wind is in our face now. It's refreshing. Yeah, go ahead. See, I'm like a mountain goat. I'm slow and steady. I could take Debbie on any hill. But when we get on the downhills or the flat sections, she's like an Energizer bunny. She just takes off. There goes the Energizer bunny. Trying to drum up some heat. They're walking back out of the canyon here, and they were talking nice strong system moving through later today. We're up here kind of in the foothills. These clouds are dropping on us. We're starting to pick up some flurries, and the breeze, if anything, has really picked up, and it's got a cold, moist bite on it. Clothing is holding up well, though. We like the the layering system we got picked out for the trail, and it's probably a good mid-20s or maybe a little less now with the wind. It allows us to stay cool enough and not get overheated, but not so cool that you're getting cold. Kind of a nice blend. It's amazing though, boy. You stop for a few minutes and that wind hits you. You can tell how cold it is out here. Just feels like it could start snowing at any minute. We are so ready to start this trail. It's cold. It's February and it's been really cold for a while now. Actually, it's March. We got a short month. It has been, well, it's been winter. It's kind of good because Colorado's been missing winter the last several years. We haven't had a lot of snow and cold. It's been real mild. The snowpack is going to be great. We hit the trail, we're going to have plenty of water sources. Hopefully that'll keep the wildfire danger down and everything. So this could be a really, really good year for everybody to get on the Colorado Trail. The conditions seem to be great. If anything, there's talk that there's almost too much snow in some of the areas. People are starting to push their plans back a little bit. Maybe start a little later. We're watching that because we're going northbound. We're gonna start in the San Juans right away, so that's gonna be interesting. And starting in the San Juans, boy, we're talking about getting up to 12,000 feet pretty much in the first couple of days. So we're gonna have to watch the snowpack for sure as we're going down there. But we got a late start, so hopefully it'll be good. A lot of people are hemming and hawing. Well, they want to start now. Of course, it's impossible, but they want to start in June, early July, with it actually being winter this year. More snow moving in today. It's pretty amazing how much snow we've actually picked up. I think we've actually gotten above our average snowfall for the year, which is really good. I mean, we need it. But, you know, when you're anxious to get out on the trail and get going, reality just kind of hits you. You got to delay a little bit or take snowshoes, and who wants to carry snowshoes? We're anxious. We're ready. We want to go. Anxious to share everything with you guys. Hope you enjoy the trip with us. Biggest hike we've taken yet. Yeah, there she goes, the Energizer Bunny. She's got a good clip going.